The AI war just escalated, and Google didn't bring a tool to the fight. It brought an entire arsenal: Gemini Ultra, VO3, Imagen 4. Cada una es un avance. Together, they're transforming AI from useful to unbelievable. Whether you're a student, content creator, developer, or business owner, this changes everything. Google isn't just in the AI race anymore. It might be leading it. Artificial intelligence is no longer futuristic. It's already reshaping our lives, our work, and the way we communicate. But while most people were focused on OpenAI and Microsoft, Google made its move, and it's massive. Gemini Ultra is Google's most capable language model, designed to deeply understand and reason across multiple formats. VO3 is the company's bold entry into video generation, producing 1080p or cinematic visuals just from text prompts. And Imagen 4 delivers near-perfect image creation that understands composition, coherence, and artistic control like no other. These tools aren't just features. They're infrastructure. They signal where Google is taking the future of productivity, media, and design. Let's break each one down, and why experts are calling this Google's biggest AI leap yet. Gemini Ultra, a multimodal powerhouse. At the core of Google's AI revolution is Gemini Ultra, the flagship model in the Gemini family. What sets it apart isn't just power, it's versatility. Unlike most AI models that focus on just one form of input, Gemini Ultra is natively multimodal. That means it can process and understand text, images, video, audio, and even code, all within the same interaction. Let's say you're preparing a business report. You can upload a complex spreadsheet, ask Gemini to analyze the data, then prompt it to convert those insights into a written summary. From there, it can generate bullet points for a presentation, and even write a script if you're turning that report into a YouTube video. It's not just multitasking, it's multi-thinking. What amplifies its capabilities even more is its massive context window. Gemini Ultra can handle long-form documents, multi-step reasoning, and detailed visual inputs all at once, meaning you don't have to break down complex tasks into smaller bits anymore. It understands nuance, structure, and sequence in one go. And this performance isn't just theoretical. Gemini Ultra has been tested on 57 academic benchmarks, consistently scoring above 90%, and outperforming GPT-4 in a range of tasks like logical reasoning, code generation, and scientific analysis. Whether you're writing a research paper, designing a marketing strategy, or building an app prototype, Gemini has the intelligence to make it faster, smoother, and smarter. The best part, it's already integrated across Google's ecosystem. You'll find its AI enhancements in Docs, Sheets, Gmail, Calendar, and even on Android phones. This is not a simple upgrade from Bard. It's a foundational leap in what language models can do. VEO3, AI video creation taken to a cinematic level. Next in line is VO3, Google's jaw-dropping answer to OpenAI's Sora. But VO3 doesn't just match expectations. It raises the bar for what's possible in AI video generation. With just a few lines of text, VO3 can generate realistic, full-motion 1080p videos. But this isn't some random animation generator. It's trained to understand cinematic techniques, so it can simulate camera movements like panning, zooming, dolly shots, and even drone flyovers. The AI understands not just movement, but why those movements matter in storytelling. You can create environments from scratch, whether it's a futuristic metropolis, an alien planet, or an underwater coral reef, and apply different styles like animation, noir, or hyperrealism. The output is surprisingly coherent across scenes. Characters don't morph randomly, lighting stays consistent, and frame-to-frame transitions feel natural and believable. This kind of control used to be reserved for high-end film studios with massive budgets. Now YouTubers, marketers, educators, and independent animators can do it all with just a keyboard and a vision. VEO3 essentially brings a Hollywood-level production studio to your browser. And once it's fully integrated into platforms like YouTube Shorts, Google Ads, or even classroom tools, creating videos might become as easy as writing an email. Imagen 4, photorealistic AI images with perfect coherence. Google didn't stop at video. With Imagen 4, they've also pushed the boundaries of AI-generated images. It stands tall against the likes of DALL-E 3 and Midjourney, offering an unmatched blend of detail, control, and realism. Most AI image models still struggle with the basics. Weird-looking hands, floating objects, or inconsistent lighting, and Imagen Quattro was trained specifically to solve these flaws. It understands spatial coherence, natural lighting, depth, and perspective. So what you get isn't just creative, it's visually correct. Want a photorealistic astronaut breakdancing on the moon in oil painting style? Done. But not just that. Imagen 4 will get the shadows right, make sure the Earth's position is accurate, and that the whole composition feels believable. It also supports in-painting, meaning you can upload an image and ask the AI to edit parts of it, like changing a background or replacing an object. With style transfer, you can instantly transform one image into multiple formats: photo, sketch, cartoon, or 3D render. You get flexibility and precision in one powerful tool, and soon it'll be part of tools you already use. Think about generating a custom blog thumbnail directly in Google Slides or creating visual ads in a Canva-style editor, all powered by Imagen 4's intelligence. The future, from AI to AI agents. What's even more exciting is where this is headed. Google's vision isn't just smarter tools, it's autonomous AI agents. These agents won't just follow instructions, they'll carry out entire sequences of tasks on your behalf. For example, an AI agent might read your emails, summarize the important ones, schedule a meeting, create a follow-up presentation, and send it without you lifting a finger. Or it could help a software engineer debug code, write documentation, and deploy changes across different systems. We're not just looking at a smarter assistant. We're talking about a system that acts like a teammate, one that learns your preferences, predicts your needs, and helps manage entire projects. It's the beginning of a new era, where AI becomes a true partner in productivity and creativity. Closing thoughts. Google's AI dominance begins. Gemini Ultra, Veo 3, and Imagen 4 aren't just about staying relevant. They mark the beginning of Google's dominance in the next phase of AI development. This isn't about beating the competition. It's about building an AI-first future where technology understands, adapts, and evolves with us. Google has the data, the infrastructure, and now, finally, the tools that could lead the charge into a smarter world. And if these first steps are anything to go by, what's coming next could be even more revolutionary.